Hello friends, welcome to Tinoula's channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can set custom ringtones or how you can change ringtone in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to set custom ringtone or to change ringtone in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings icon. So first just go to settings application and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video and watch complete video.